Hello guys, so sorry there was an issue with the screen display, so I thought of restarting the live. I hope you are seeing my screen properly. Okay, uh, now I guess you are able to see my screen properly, so we can continue. Nifty is forming a red candles in 15-minute time frames, but let's see the Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty is about to break the downside levels. So if Bank Nifty is also supporting, then Nifty may fall more. So if it is Bank Nifty supporting to upside, then Nifty is also can reverse from the support levels, previous support levels. So I feel there can be a support levels at this level. From here it can reverse. Let's go for the wastelands. Let's see. VIX is 5%, almost 5% up. That's why we're not getting much decay. You can see the candle formations here for the buying and selling. There is no much different on both sides. So usually when there is a possibility of decay, so we get selling side we get a very strong candles, um, but here I don't see any. Let's have a look on stocks, how it is doing well. How is okay? BHL you see 5% up today also. So sometimes you feel fear to invest on these stocks, but you have to admit and you have to take risk also. I have already given a stock at 60 rupees level. It's almost 40% return. Sorry, 50% return almost. And I see there is a big target in BHL and even NBCC also. Okay, you have to know one thing, like the stocks which is already in the bullish side. If it is given much more returns in last 1 year or 2 year, they may consolidate for some time. Okay, so if you are investing those stocks, so you have to be more patient. You may not get much returns in for 1 2 years. Okay, you have to take the so investment for the stocks like which is already done with the selling side, done with the negative side. So if it is already fallen, then if it is making a bottom, there you have to invest to get more returns for the next 1 to 2 years. Okay. So if you are investing the stock which is already rallied to upside, there is no use. Okay. You need to understand the price. So once trending market is done, there will be a sideways market. Okay. After that, there may be upside movement or there may be downside movement. Okay. Do you do you are not if you are not ready to take a risk, then don't invest in higher levels. Okay. And also I have given the TCS stock from the IT sector, and there are two stocks you can invest in IT sector. From my side, I suggest TCS and Tech Mahindra. So you can see the patterns here. I already drawn. I had given the stock on the Diwali stocks at 3000 level. So now it is almost from here. It's almost 14 to 14% return. Let's I hope this will be continue to go upside. Even Techchem also, it's already fallen more 30 to 40% I guess from higher levels. It's already fallen the almost 50%. Now it is made a bottom out and started going upside. So I feel this is going to be bullish. Okay, these two stocks I strongly suggest for investment from the IT sector. And there are some more stocks as well, but as per the risk appetite, we can choose on top of everything. We can choose these two. See how it is going. Okay, okay. By seeing this, don't think I'm on selling side. So you may have to wait for the buying side signal, but this is not my entry. I'm just assuming like if there is any possibility of selling side, I would have taken entry on this side, but the risk appetite is not fit for me, so that's why I didn't take. The trade is good, but it risk is something which cannot be which is not looking good, so that's why I didn't take this. Let's wait for the opportunity here. Bank Nifty also taking a support at 43,000. You know, round level will act as a support or resistance level very strongly. In the same way, 43,000 for the Bank Nifty and 18,700 to 17,650. These 50 points range is a support level. Let's wait and see. Yesterday only I exited two stocks actually. Let's see how they are doing. Like future stocks, I'm saying. Jaidus Life Science, I exited, and Indigo. So Indigo was at selling side actually. My bad, I exited at the top level. So I always keep a intent stop loss. I exited at these levels on the top side after seeing the break. Like it's not a breakout, but I kept as a whenever it reaches above these levels, I could exit. So that's why I exited on the top level from the selling side. It's an option selling. I would have waited for the candle close at least, but still there is a candle close here. It's okay. I'll accept the risk and losses. This is on selling side actually, and Jaidus Life Science is already gave me very good profit. This is 1 day, 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. It is still on the trade, but I had exited because some other reasons. So still it is a bullish sign. Okay, now it is making another swing here. So you can wait for this swing to uh, close for the selling side. So until then it was in uptrend. It's a clear uptrend, right? So why we have to exit? We don't need to exit. There is no reason of exiting from this stock now. It's looking bullish as of now. And Concur was in bullish sign, and also it is also reached our target. So you can see this was our trend. This was our trade, and it had reached our target. And there are some other stocks which had given target also, like SRF. SRF is yet to give the target, I guess. I've already exited these stocks already. Okay, because you can see there is a resistance here, and I exited. And the only stop loss is Indigo recent days, and I have updated the Tata consumers in one weekly stocks as well. For the bullish side, and now it is falling. I guess it is reached our target. Yeah, this was our target. 805. Yeah, no. 8 not 10 was our target. You can see the line which I had drawn here. This was our target, and it had reached it. So if you are following our weekly price action stocks, you would have get some idea what I'm talking about. Let's see the Nifty. I have added these two options in my watch list: 18,750 C and PE. Even though it is trading around 18,700 the Nifty, but I was looking into 18,750 call and put option. When we get an entry at the time, it will become at the money. It is a different matter. So on this trade, it's better we exit with 1 is to 1. So if it is reaching 1 is to 1, or we can trail stop loss when it is reached 1 is to 1, because there is a support levels at 80 to 83 point. Trail stop loss to this level. So there is no sense of taking huge risk in this trade, because there is no much space on the downside. Okay. So you see, there is no positions for me as of now. Usually I trade in mostly stock options, but for this week I have exited yesterday only. So I thought of doing in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Not even Bank Nifty. I chose only Nifty. Since I was following more stocks, that's why I am good. Like I feel it is good for me if I go for Nifty 50 instead of Bank Nifty. Let's not decide anything yet. It seems like consolidation here, and then even it is breaking this level. Let's not consider it as a breakout yet. you know you may feel bored by looking at the chart every time, like complete 8 hours. It's really bore, right? When you have a proper setup, no, you have to wait. You will wait for the entry. Then and there, you feel bored because uh, what happened if there is any newcomer, new beginner to the trading? So he'll always be like every small move also bullish, and he will trade, and he'll be completely busy with buying and selling the options or stocks, anything. But when you have a proper system set up and all, so you will be focusing on entry, and you will be waiting for the entry. So then and there you feel bored actually. So it's quite common for all the traders. It's really bored to just looking at chart, sitting idle. This is actually for intraday traders. They feel bored actually. So if you have any positional strategies and all, uh, you no need to be monitor the stock in system, in front of system. So if you have any positional trade, you can check out every 15 minute or 10 minute, like that. Sorry, every 1 hour or no 2 3 hours in between. That's enough. Nifty started going upside, but no, we will not decide anything yet. We will wait for one more pullback. That will be more confirmation for us. You see here 13 that 40, sorry, 43,000, 43,020. So this was the support levels for Bank Nifty. It had bounced back from these levels. Let me check the Fibonacci retracement from here. You see it can reverse from this level 0.382 or 0.236. This is from opening. If we add it from higher levels from the previous swing, yeah, you see this is the support resistance level, and if you add this same Fibonacci from today's high, so it will be 0.36 at the same levels. So there is a two levels of support from 18,730. So if it is having any pullback from here like this and then break, it will be again going to upside. There is a possibility of upside. Let's wait for some more time. I'll just remove this Fibonacci. See, I told you, no. So there is no much space on the downside actually for this. That's why I was not sure about this trade. See, this is only 4 to 5 points of stop loss, after trailing our stop loss, only 5 points of stop loss. You don't even believe 5 points of stop loss if anyone say, but you have to trail the stop loss according to the support levels or resistance levels. It's not about how many points you are keeping it. Okay. See, there is only 5 points of stop loss, right? And instead of that, we have 20 points of target here. So if you lose, you lose only 5 points. If you gain, you get 1:4 risk reward ratio. Okay, that's why we have to be very strict towards stop loss or target. Whatever you keep a stop loss, you have to wait for it, or a target, you have to wait for it. In between, don't exit in between, or don't trail your stop loss more like as per your risk. Okay, you have to put a stop loss for the support or resistance level. Okay, here I kept a sub resistance level for this can you can see this is a candle, this very short selling candle, so that's why I kept above these levels. There is a reason why I kept this stop loss. Okay, if I don't see any this type of candle or potential candle, I would have not trailed my stop. you see a bank nifty a little bit positive. Nifty is yet to be positive, still looking weak. Let's over the breakout and even Nifty also upside move. So if there is any confirmation of upside, then we will trade on the upside. See, I told you not to trust on the first pullback. It again came down. Let's see if it is taking a support, same levels or coming down to 18675 taking a support here. Bank Nifty is looking bullish. It also gave the breakout on top and retested the same levels and started going upside. Let's see if it is positive. Then Nifty may also come to positive. Or if this is a fake breakout and falling down, Nifty is crossing this below line, then it is very good to go for selling side for the Bank Nifty below this level, below that line. Yeah, it's a good fall. So about to reach our target in ES levels. See, initially our stop loss was 20 points, and we had trailed the stop loss after this candle formation to 5 points. Now see, the risk reward is 1 is to 4. Simply we are getting 20 points with the risk of 5 points, not even 5 points there. But to get these type of trades, you have to be more active on your entry. So when you are more active in entry, definitely you get more profit as well as risk, uh, small risk. Now it is around the support levels. Let's see if it is uh, taking a support at these levels or breaking the levels.